Hey guys, today we're looking at a closer look at verbs. So if we were in class, I would have this up on the overhead, and then this would be your handout. But this is still going to be your handout, but you're going to fill everything out on Cami. Okay, so um, follow along with me. A closer look at verbs. This is Victor Verb, and he's been asked to present a closer look at verbs for you guys today. First, let's review the basic verbs. So, the definition of a verb is the word that shows action. Okay? Did you know that there are three types of verbs? Let's take a closer look. You got action verbs that do exactly what their name states, they bring action to a sentence. So, over here on this side, over here on the right hand side, right here where it says action verbs bring blank to a sentence, you would type in action. Okay? Now, whenever you are filling this out and whenever you're completing this in Cami, you're going to have your screen split like this, okay? All right, so that you can watch the video on this side and complete it over here on this side. So you're going to have two screens going. So, linking verbs. Linking verbs are another type of verb. Like action verbs, they do exactly what their name states. They link words in a sentence. Linking verbs link a subject, which is a noun or a pronoun, to a noun or an adjective. Linking verbs are used in a sentence to rename or describe a noun or a pronoun. So here, okay. Linking verb examples. Forms of to be. Am, is, are, was, were, be, being, and been. These are just all forms of linking verbs that you have to memorize. There are some other verbs. It says you might notice that some of the above examples can also act as action verbs sometimes. You need to read the sentence to determine whether it's an acting or an action verb or linking verb in a given sentence. So, linking verb examples. Oops. How do I know if a word is a linking verb? You see this matches up with this part right here, okay? How do I know if a word is a linking verb? Read the word in a sentence. Susie is hungry, okay? Ask yourself, does is link the subject to a noun or an adjective in this sentence? Yes, it does. Is, it links Susie to the adjective hungry. Therefore, it is a linking verb. Is a linking verb because it links the subject Susie to the adjective hungry. Therefore, it's a linking verb. Is being used to rename or describe a noun in this sentence. Yes. Is being used to describe Susie as hungry. Okay? All right? So, everything over here in red, let's see, okay. Sorry, I lost my train of thought, guys. Linking verb, I was hungry. Was links the subject to the adjective, the subject I to the adjective hungry. Was is being used to describe the noun, so I was. Was is linking the subject I to the adjective hungry. And was is being used to describe the noun. So, linking verb examples. My mom became a teacher. Became links the subject mom to the noun teacher. Became is being used to rename the noun mom. Okay? So, that cupcake smells delicious. Smells links the subject cupcake to the adjective delicious. Smells is being used to describe the noun cupcake. Okay, this will be part one. I'll come back in just a moment and do part two.